Last September, Gerresheimer's stock plunged after German regulators announced an investigation into potential accounting rule violations and compliance irregularities. The packaging maker's issues started when BaFin, Germany's federal financial authority, began looking into a potential bill and hold scandal. The company may have recognized 35 million euro in inflated revenues for some contracts before the revenue was actually realized. In February, as the German manufacturer hired a second auditing firm to review accounting irregularities, the company also announced plans to cut costs, including the sale of Centor, its U.S. subsidiary in Ohio, which makes packaging systems for dispensing prescription drugs. Gerresheimer also announced plans to close a glass factory in Chicago Heights, Illinois, laying off 172 workers and offshoring production to factories in Italy and India. The layoffs at Gerresheimer Moulded Glass Chicago will take place on September 30th, 2026, according to a local report. A company spokesperson told IEN, quote, "The planned closing of our facility in Chicago Heights is one of the measures of our comprehensive transformation program. It is a global program aimed at reducing costs and improving performance, including an optimized utilization of our global production network." After rejecting a takeover bid from U.S. rival Silgan earlier this month, the manufacturer faced heightened scrutiny. According to German financial media company Action Check, BaFin has expanded its investigation even further as it looks into possible misstatements of millions in leasing liabilities, a review of supposed development costs, and potentially inaccurate valuations of other company divisions. Still, the company expects to make up to 2.4 billion euro in 2026 fiscal year. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.